tonight.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're doing a how-to tutorial on part-to-part teleportation. And since last video I didn't have my microphone working, I'm hoping this video it works better. So first we're gonna open up our Roblox, and then we're gonna create a new field. I'm gonna show you how the part-to-part test works first, and then I'll walk you through on making it. So I'm gonna launch the studio. It loads. So part-to-part is from one part to the other. Here's my two teleporters. This is gonna be one, and it'll teleport me to the other. And then again, instead of me just bouncing back and forth, there's a D-bounce in there that prevents that from happening. Let's get to making. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to throw it in storage for now. Okay. What's up with my mouse? Okay. Alright, I don't know what's going on. Okay. So first off, we're going to create a folder. So in here, grab a folder, it'll be in the Insert Object section. Then you're going to click Create a Folder. We're going to rename the folder to Teleport. That way we know what it is. Now we're gonna right click on it and then insert an object. We're gonna insert a part. This part right here. Now customize it however you like. I'm gonna be customizing mine. Just don't mind my bugging out mouse. Okay. So this is my first one right here. I'm gonna name it Telly1. Remember, whatever you name each part matters. I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna drag it over here. Like that. Name it Telly2. Whoops. Telly2. I'm gonna recolor it so we know that it's a different button. So over here is Telly1, black is Telly1, red is Telly2. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a script, not a local script, a script. And here we right click, insert object. Now we're gonna click on script. You can name the script whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it Teleport S to represent teleport script. Now in here, delete the print hello world. We don't need that. So now we're gonna call out both of the parts first. We're gonna call out local Telly1. That we're just naming it right here. We're just naming equals. Now we're gonna call out the part which is in the script. We're gonna take the script's parent, which is gonna be the teleport folder. Then we're gonna locate Telly1, which is the part name. So whatever you name that first part, you're gonna put here. Then we're gonna name the other one Telly2. Same thing with this, script.parent.telly2. That's those two. Now we're gonna add in a debounce later. So I'm gonna show you a debounce later. But with this added, we can call Telly1 dot touched. I'm saying touch is for when it's the player touches it and then connects to the function. The function will be a hit. So here, now we're gonna call hit. That's what's hitting it. Its parent. Then we're gonna move the parent to Telly2 dot position. Now, after we did that, this right here should work, so we're gonna test. We're gonna hit play. So yeah, it launches. Then if we locate, my bad. Don't forget to anchor your parts or they won't show up for you. Well, mine are certain that they won't show up. Anchor those parts. Number one rule, anchor those parts. Now after they're anchored, you'll see both of them. Since we've only done black, we can use the black to teleport to red. See? Black to red. Okay. Now let's script in the other one. So if we go tele2.touched, we're going to connect to the function hit. Then we're going to call it hit.parent. Then we're going to move you to tele1.position. Doing that will allow you to teleport from tele1 to tele2. So as soon as we hit play, it should teleport us to either one. No, we don't have D-bounce, so it could end up just, yeah, see, they'll do that to us. So yeah, that's what happens if you don't have a D-bounce. Let's add in a D-bounce now. So a D-bounce allows things not to happen multiple times. For instance, we're going to name it D-bounce equals false. Doing that, we're setting a variable to false. So D-bounce is the variable, we're making it false. So in here we're going to put if D-bounce equals false, then don't forget to add it in the end afterwards. So that will check if it's false. Now we're going to say D-bounce equals true. That's going to set it true. Wait for at least 2 seconds, then D-bounce equals false. We're going to turn it back false. Same thing down here. If D-bounce equals false, then oops, my bad. Then we're gonna call D-bounce equals true. Then doing that, we're gonna put in a wait 2 down here, and D-bounce equals false. And then don't forget to add in that end. I suggest always opening up your output and your script analysis. This will tell you when something goes wrong with the script. It's very helpful. So right here, it's launching. Now I can teleport to each part without an issue happening. And it won't spam me. See? Here we go. That's how you teleport from part to part. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace!